This puppy had no one until she found him. This puppy was always seen with a duck who cared for him like a mother. It all started one cold evening. The duck saw the tiny puppy shivering and helpless. She hurried to him, spread her feathers wide, and covered him gently to keep him warm. From that day on, their bond became unbreakable. The duck never left his side, always protecting him, always loving him like her own child. But then, time began to change things. The duck grew older, weaker, and she started to worry, not for herself, but for her little ducklings. That's when the puppy, now a little grown, began caring for them, guarding them, and playing with them like their big brother. In the end, the mother duck hugged the puppy one last time as he continued looking after them, just like she once did.